Please cross-check with the attendance, Saurav. So 39 raised hand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to discuss something about audio playing. So I said about this. So audio input stream is used to read the audio file, and it is used to play. Yeah. Yes, guys. So audio input stream class is used to read the audio input stream file, and whatever the options we want, you can use. So if you search in Google, you will get a lot of material. Even in Geeks for Geeks, some days back, Sir has shared in Mentor Notes channel. So I thought instead of sharing the reference link, I can share you the code for playing the music. So just to have a demonstration, listen carefully. So in a database, you should insert in such the way, you should place an absolute path of all the songs. So when you start and complete your Pojo classes interface, start downloading the songs. So, but one thing I want to say, this audio input stream is supporting only WAV for file format. So no problem. Either you download WAV file, audio file from Google, or if you have MP3, you translate it. So you convert MP3 to WAV format. You got it? What I'm trying to say, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you search in Google, there will be lot of online converter applications. So ensure that you are downloading some 5 songs, 5 podcasts. And if you have downloaded, and if you not get wave format, you download MP3 and convert it. Ensure that all your files, listen carefully before inserting the record. Ensure that all your audio files is placed under resources folder. Okay, deleted resources folder. So when you create a project, by default, whatever the version you are using, if you have resources folder, you should paste all your wave format of audio files, and ensure that you are taking a copy of absolute path and you are storing it in a database. So when I look into the table record, ensure that proper path should be there. And in order to store all the external resources, your IntelliJ provides resources folder. If it is not, if you don't have resources also, please create under your source package. So please create a folder resources and try to store all the resources under the folder. Okay. Is this clear? In your project, please create resources folder. Depend upon the version. Most of the version you will have resources folder. You paste all your wave format of audio files and podcasters, and you take the path of this and try to save it in your table rows. And when you are retrieving the respective song ID, if I want to choose S13, if I want to play this particular song, I will provide song ID. So the song ID row should retrieve file path. Whatever the file path you are having, the song, it needs to play. So you can embed the code. So I will share this code. I have tried this. It is working. So time being, I have copy and pasted. I have a video. So I named it as final_video 3.wav. I have this, I'm sorry, it is not video, it's an audio file. But in my machine, I have my daughter's college video. So I just copy pasted it. But anyway, we are gonna to play only audio file. So ensure that you have all your audio files in your resources folder, and I'll tell you how to. So here I want to demonstrate you. So all our players code available under a function called as read audio. So you should copy paste this block. So public void read audio, and you will pass file string format of file path. And if you want loop, you can pass as many number of times you want to loop it. So by default, so when in your application, you should copy paste this read audio method. Whenever if you want to play a song or a podcast, you will be calling this read audio method by passing your file path. And this read audio is calling audio input stream. Apart from that, we have various options. So everything I have embedded: pass, resume, restart, stop. Just go through it. These are all the default code which is there to play an audio. So pass, resume audio, restart, and stop. All the functions are present in another class called as play audio. All the functionalities of playing is there in play audio. I'm repeating again. You should have a class called as play audio. Apart from that, there should be a method called as read audio. Whenever if you want to play any music, you will be calling read audio by passing your source, your file path. Even if you want to not to repeat, you don't want to pass this count. So this is my demo application. So in my main method, it is not a static method. So I have created an object. I am calling read audio. I am passing my audio file. So it will go here again. This read audio is having a communication with play audio class. So play audio is having all the default coding of your playing your audio. So don't worry about the code. This is a default code available. I'll show you. So I will share a reference material of this audio input stream. Yeah. So I should have a file. So it supports only WAV file. I'll be passing this method and it gets played. Wait, I'm not getting the exact one. I think in Geeks for Geeks, we have that exact code. Yeah, how to play an audio file using Java. So these are the various options. So I've taken a sample code from there. You should place your file. It's just an exact code I took from the site. I'm sharing the code. 1 second. So I want all of you to test this code now, so that by this weekend you can able to start with the project and you can able to connect with this play. So whenever if you want to play, I have called in main, we will not call in main. So after entering my application, after entering into song menu, if I want to play a song in fourth option, after entering the song ID, so you will enter song ID and we will retrieve the file path. Then you want to call this read audio method. So I want all of you to download and have one audio file in this format WAV. And I'm sharing the code. You should have read audio method and you should have this class play audio.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said about the resource folder?
So all the options will be there. Once if you stop, I have not shared, I don't know, you can able to hear my song or not. I have not shared the Zoom application along with sound, but I want you to test and explore this. It is recommended. It is recommended to have your audio files, images, video files in resources folder. So by default, when you are creating a Java application in Maven, depends upon your IntelliJ, sometimes it will come with default. So don't scatter your audio file here and there. Even if you created a folder called as, if you created a directory called as audio files, I'm okay with that, but don't scatter it. In few version of IntelliJ, we have an exclusive folder called as resources to have all your images, audios, videos. Even in under resources, you can create a directory. One is for images, the other one is for video file, the other one is for audio. Anyway, in this application, we are going to deal with only audio. Yes, any doubt? I'm going to share this main class and play audio. I want all of you to have an audio file in your project and try to play that and just experience with this audio input stream and playing an audio that you can connect with your project. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, go with queries.
Ma'am, how to test song in resource folder, ma'am?
You just copy and paste it, dear. That's all. Let's assume in your desktop or a download, you have audio file. Just copy paste it. You download first. I want all of you to download some audio files. Ensure that it is in WAV format. Yes, Saurav, anything you want to add, please? Adesh,
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, MP3 format not suitable.
No, pa, it's not supporting. If you want, you try and search for MP3, but don't waste time. We have a lot more to explore in Java. That's what I'm telling. If you have only MP3 audio files, you convert it using any converter, online converter. It will happen within a minute. Few seconds, it will convert.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sharing the file right away. Main and play audio. Just experience this. So ensure that options are working and you don't need to know much about the code. Just understand, try to understand.
Ma'am, can you check Slack for the class diagram I've sent you?
Yeah.